Go. Welcome back to the channel, coming to you on the charts on XCN. Before we get into the charts, how about hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, and we'll be glad to bring you more content on XCN. Right now, we're setting 2 hours and 28 minutes on the new day, and XCN has pulled back 0.90%. Price setting at 0.0055. And what we got here, we had XCN to push up to 0066, and we had this little, we on a 4-hour chart, we had this rally back 3 days ago. We had this push up, and now we're seeing a sell-off. This could have been just a push up on the news, a liquidity sweep up here, and now we're pulling back. And what I do believe that we're going to pull back, we have dropped, as you can see right here. Let me close this. Let me take this off right here. We hit this trend line that I got running. It's like an arrow. Hit this trend line back over here, and we wicked up and hit it right here again, and we finally broke through right here. If you could see, let me pull this up right close for you. That spike in volume right there pushed us up. We went all the way up to this top of this trend line right here. This is a symmetrical triangle here on the 4-hour chart. And what you're seeing, we have broke back down below this trend line here that we finally spiked up through. And we've come back down, and you can see right here on that green, slightly green candle right there. We broke down, we pushed back through it, got rejected, and we tried again, and now we headed down. We came down and we tested this 50-day moving average right here, and we have bounced back up off of it. We're right here at a support level at 00545. If we lose that, and this is what I'm thinking, we could fall below that and come down here and hit 00525, the bottom of this trend line, before pushing back up and making a run up. And trying to get above this 0059 and breaking out of this symmetrical triangle we got formed here. But I'm saying that we're going to pull back. We could see a pullback first. This is more likely. We're going to pull back to the bottom of this trend line in this support area right here. We could go just below this trend line right here. Sweep, pick up some of this support right here before going back up, because this is already a support level right here. Getting back up and trying to make another higher high. So trying to get back up here in the range where we spiked up to. So that's where we're sitting at on XCN. Now, if we fall below this trend line and it don't hold, we're coming back, basically we're coming back down to the 00480, back in this consolidation, middle of this consolidation phase that we've been in ever since February the 23rd. because we just been coming through here, just consolidating with XCN right here, just consolidating, and we finally went up and broke out. So I believe it's going this pullback is going to be more or less a fake out, and when it does, it may come down to that 100-day right there. The 100-day sits at 0.0511. That's the reason I said we could just spike right below it, wick down to the 100-day, and go back up and get above that 50-day. So this is what I'm looking for on XCN. The overall market pulled back today. Bitcoin pulled back. It was, let's see on the daily chart where we was at. Today we was all the way up at 74,700, and we pulled all the way down to 70,474. So this is why you're seeing this pullback here on XCN. Now Bitcoin could pull back a little further, and that's why we could see a pullback here on XCN also. But I'm saying that Bitcoin could, the way it's acting right now, we could pull back a little further before we get another move up. We had the Fed meeting today, the speech, and it really wasn't. It really didn't do nothing. Really didn't do nothing to the market. The market dumped on the way into this speech, and it just ain't. It just ain't bounced back up yet. Could be pulling back down into a lower trend, a lower previous consolidation phase is what I feel like maybe it's doing. We up here now. We could be coming our way back down to 65,000 and just consolidating in this area here to, Bitcoin. We could just come down, just hit this right here like that. So, I mean, that's just what I think. And that's going to cause XCN to pull back too, because it's pretty much correlated with Bitcoin right now, as you can see on the charts. As you can see right here, it looked like we had a W pattern here, a little W pattern, and it just came back and then it went. I mean, that's just what it looks like it done to me. So I'm just coming to you to give you an overall update on XCN. It's getting closer and closer to the 27th. We got 11 more days before Goliath launches live, and then I'm saying, you'll have these pullbacks, but I do believe that we're going to pull back, like I say, somewhere between 0052 and 0051 before we rally, make another run up and get above this symmetrical triangle here and get up to another higher high. So I wanted to bring that to you again. Subscribe to the channel. We'll be back later to give you some more updates on XCN. Leave us a comment if you want daily updates, or it's okay to do it every other day or every couple of days on XCN. Because, kind of important right now going into this going live. I'll try to do one every day, not every day, every other day, to keep you updated on this. But be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out the other videos I've got on XCN and some other cryptos. Leave in the comments and let us know what other cryptos you invested in that you may want to be updated on, and we'll be glad to bring it to you. Just give us a little time. If we ain't familiar with it, we'll get familiar with it and give you an update on it. So, like I say, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, God bless you.